have the perfect beach wavy hair using this hair curler. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use this hair curler to do wavy hair. I got this hair curler from Amazon and I put the link in the bio if you're watching me on TikTok, or in the description if you're watching me on YouTube. This is 1.5 inches width and it's perfect to give you wide waves and more natural beachy look waves. If you want to have more natural wavy beachy hair, you gotta use the rule of one hair to the outside and the other one to the inside by waving your hair alternatively. First, you grab the first hair, clip it, turn it to the outside of your face, keep turning, and if it got stuck, just loosen up the clip, leave the ends to give your hair wavy look, turn it all the way around to give your hair a curly look. All right, the second hair, you will grab it, but you're going to wave it or curl it to the inside of your face, facing towards your face, by putting the clip from the inside, as you see here. Clip it and turn it. Loosen up the clip a little bit so it can turn. Leave the end if you want wavy look. Turn it all the way around if you want more curly look. And then leave it like that. I will show you how my hair will look like at the end. Before I forget, this is how you switch on the hair curler, and this is how you put up the heat, and this is how you put down the heat. Just choose the temperature that works best for your hair. Do not overheat, otherwise it's gonna burn. This is the result for perfect beachy wavy hair. One hair for the outside and the other one is for the inside. I hope you like my little video. Thank you for watching. If you tried my way, leave me a comment in the comment area and let me know if this worked with you. Stay beautiful.